Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. When I'm playing,
I don't sound like that.
welcome to my channel. So watch me do my nails and get them done and look good. Here we go, guys.
My husband's doing my nails today. My toenails today.
She got me working.
So he's gonna start off with cleaning my toenails. This nail polish has been on there for a few months.
It's hard to come off. Manual labor. Gosh.
This is why I never do my toenails.
Phew. With these old nail polish that's been on here for months, you really gotta get in here. It's not no soft wipe. You gotta really elbow grease in there, or some metatarsal finger grease. Oh, sorry.
You can add some more nail polish remover or use a new cloth. Yeah.
Sorry. I mean, I thought it was all about the muscle.
No. You're gonna break my toes off.
Sheesh.
Sheesh.
I mean, in my head, I thought this was like a 1-2 process. Like, I thought you just wiped it and came off. Like, bloop, bloop. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with the base coat. What the base coat really does is it preps basically your nail for the other layers of nail polish that's gonna come on it. And this is what really allows the nail polish to last much longer. So I would always advise come with a base coat. That's why it's clear, so any colors that come on top of it, you don't have to see through it. It's like priming your walls. If you paint, you're trying to get a good color, you want to prime those. One thing that I have trouble with is knowing if I put enough on. Because I don't know, something tells me I want to go back and hit it again.
No, you don't have to.
Oh, don't have to? Okay, well, you see. If it was my choice.
One good coat.
One good coat. All right, I guess this is like that paint and primer at once, you know what I mean? It's that good stuff. That one coat.
Actually, I would say a primer. This is more like just a base coat because I would say
this is just a primer.
If you wanted to do a primer for like a color to come out better, you should just use a white.
Just a white.
A white nail polish.
Why don't you really be hitting the toes? Why don't you give the toes no love?
Why don't I do my toenails?
Yeah, man. Months on months, I'm looking at the same old white nails.
Oh my, okay.
Crusty.
Well, my toes aren't crusty because my nails aren't done. I don't do my toenails because I just feel like I'm not at that level of flexibility. I don't like having to bend my back for such long periods of time.
Lift your leg up, bend.
Okay, on to the design. What's it gonna be?
Start with that slate gray.
The gray?
Yeah, I want to start with this slate gray.
Oh, it's called Graphite.
All right, here it goes. Let's see if I got this. Guys, I don't think I'm the greatest.
It's okay. You're practicing. You'll get better.
See, that's why you got 2 coats in life. First coat, don't gotta be that pretty. Just get the job done.
You see how it's starting to curl up like that?
Oh man.
Yeah, that's why I was like, you gotta.
Is that gonna be fixed?
I mean, do what you can.
Oops. Practice makes perfect. This one gonna be it. This is gonna be the good stuff. I'm gonna be confident and just pull. It's not as easy as it looks.
No.
You gotta be gentle with the brush.
Well, how many toes have you painted?
Man, little kids' toes, nieces, little sister. Ooh,
oh, that one was really good. Wow.
That was it.
That was good. That was
I
really
came in
good.
there with confidence and I executed. Not bad.
Not bad for your well, it's not your first time doing toenails. You said.
I mean, we can just call this my first time, make it feel better. Clear nail polish makes you feel good because you can't see your mistakes. The color ones, they show you need some work.
Okay, zooming through that one like you're a pro all of a sudden.
it's really about getting your brush marinated. Got to get your brush marinated in the nail polish sauces. The pinky, honestly, I don't even know where the toenail begins and ends. I can't lie to you.
It's weird, I know.
Woo! That was nice.
What's going on with it?
That was quick. That was on the money.
Yeah, you did good.
Wow.
You did good.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Good job,
I'll say
buddy.
a 6.5 out of 10. You know what I mean? I'm an honest grader. But there you go. That's the first coat. We're going to let that dry. I would advise, if this is your first time, I mean, don't worry about making the mess. Make the mess and just come back and clean it up.
I hate getting pedicures when they start doing the foot massages or the you know, like the pumice stone type thingies, or they like sorry. I can't do it.
Don't touch my feet.
Which is reasons why I'd prefer to just do my nails myself.
You mean your toenails?
Toenails, hand nails.
They be tickling your hands?
No, but like I feel like I've yet to go to a salon and do my fingernails, and it's exactly how I want it.
See, the thing about going to the nail salon and not doing it yourself, it's almost like a bit of therapy. Having somebody cater to you, and I mean that's also a big part of why people go and get their nails done. A service being done to you. You're just relaxing and just waiting to see the finished product. You know what I mean? I
guess, but I mean I guess it's not my form of therapy. That's because true. I like the process of doing my own nails. I can watch YouTube. I can put on headphones and listen to music.
Yeah.
I can watch a show, like sort of binge watch it, or I can watch some finance videos. That's all relaxing for me. So I don't necessarily care for other people doing my nails for therapy purposes. It's just I'd rather pay for exactly what I want, or just not get it or not have them do my nails at all, because it just never comes out how I want it. And then I'm like, this is a waste of money. Can I get a peek?
No, of course not. I'm putting all this work in. Surprise you.
Can I get a hint?
No.
What you doing?
I'm doing nothing.
What color? Can you tell me the color you're gonna use?
Purple.
Hey, are you serious?
No.
Oh, I believed you. I thought you really was trying to tell me. Don't ruin the surprise.
I won't. I just gotta tell you guys, probably y'all should, if y'all ever do this, don't cut on the floor. Probably get like one of those little cutting mats. Cause I made the mistake. I got a little slash, but you can't see it. It looks like a pattern. So I'm gonna stick with my gut. I'm gonna go with this one.
Always go with the gut. Never second guess yourself.
Keep with this.
Why do I sound like DJ Khaled?
I took this tape here and I cut a couple of geometric shapes into it. I was trying to go for like little diamonds, shine like a diamond. Triangle diamonds on it.
Okay, Rihanna.
And a little circle. So this is like painter's tape. What I'm gonna do is like try to take out some of the stickiness from it, so it doesn't stick to it too much. So just kind of like tap it off, get some of that stickiness off of it. Let's see how it goes. Just tap it down. Gonna come here with the Mischo Beauty. Color is called Undaunted. I would say a cream blue if I made colors up. That's what I would call it. I'm only gonna do the big toe. I mean, that's the star of the show. The big toe is the big toe, right? That's the one that's gonna get the design. So let's see how it is. I'm hoping this is nice. I'm feeling like it might have bled a little bit through the painter's tape. But all we can do is hope and pray. Oh my gosh, I am terrible. This is terrible. This is terrible.
Oh man.
It wasn't dry yet. The gray needed some more time to dry. That did not work like how I wanted it to. I'm sorry.
Do you think there's any way for you to clean it up?
No.
Oh my god.
Let me see. Nah, I don't know if this is gonna work. I might just come and hit this with another gray coat.
No, it's okay.
Dang, should I even do the next toe?
What do you think would make it better?
So I'm gonna freestyle the next toe.
Freestyle?
Freestyle.
Oh snap.
And I think mistakes is what makes something beautiful. So let's see. Either which way, she's gonna have to keep these toes on for the next months.
Wait,
That's what she does.
No, I'm not gonna keep them on for months.
Shh.
I'm gonna try to do better, but I mean, honestly.
I don't believe it. But here you go.
Challenge
guys.
accepted.
Here you go. So this is what I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna work, but that definitely didn't work as how I wanted it to. I thought it out, and it didn't work. There you go. X marks the spot. There you go, guys. Show them the design. Bow. Yeah. Comment which one you like the best. You know what I mean? Now I'm feeling adventurous. Just gonna put a little dot on each toe.
Ah!
Hey, come bring your toe up.
Huh?
Bring your toe. So I'm going for the half and half right now. And boom. You know, you go for it, you go big. And I decided to go big. I think it's the mystery in it all.
You can keep the big toe like that? I don't mind it.
You don't?
No, I don't mind.
But I feel like it's missing some gray. So can I ask
Yeah,
you?
it is.
It's missing some gray. You like this design?
It's cute.
You want it on those?
Do what you want.
It'll look jacked up. It may seem like I didn't go for a design or like this is a mistake. I'll tell you, everything right here, this was planned.
You planned all of this?
Of course. I'm a man of action.
Oh.
Purpose.
Okay.
You know who I walk with? Come on. Whew.
How dare you?
Do I gotta do a top coat?
Of course you gotta do a top coat. What do you mean?
Just making sure. Her top coat fixes everything.
Who told you that?
That's what I heard. I heard.
Where did you hear that?
I thought that's what you said.
Me?
You said when it looks textured, drop a top coat on it.
Oh!
That's not true?
Yeah, when that happens with my nails, I'll just... But then yeah.
Like I said, a top coat fixes everything.
I don't think it fixes... I wouldn't say everything. Like, it's not gonna make
Potato,
those lines
potato.
straight.
Straight? Who said I was going for straight?
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Okay.
That's fire.
Okay.
That's Mark. Come on. That's a big name brand right there.
What?
That's what, you know what that's it? That's abstract. Everybody else trying to be neat. We one of a kind. Let that dry. I'm gonna hit it with the top coat.
That's the design?
Yeah. Well, I should have just went for the big triangle. I got really ambitious with those little triangles. I should have known that it wasn't gonna happen like that. But
I don't... Okay.
if I didn't mess up on that, I wouldn't have been ambitious enough to paint the other toes because I was gonna leave them just like it. I was gonna leave them suckers just like that.
Just gray?
I wasn't gonna touch them. But I felt bad. I was like, dang, I gotta do something extra.
But you know, like with the... Even if you did like the big triangle right there in the middle, that would have been pretty cool because then you could have put like maybe a circle on one side of it, like a rectangular. You know,
Listen,
just thinking of the geometric design.
Yeah. I might do a triangle next time.
Ooh, you said next time?
Hey, don't sign me up.
He's gonna do my nails again. My toenails. My toenails. Well, you could try my nails, my fingernails,
Yeah.
if you want.
You ready?
Only if you want.
You have a design on it.
No, I'm just saying in the future, if you think that would be easier. I mean, they're obviously bigger than, well, all my other toenails minus the big toe because it's a pretty big nail.
Okay, guys, we're gonna finish it up with a top coat. You know, after everything, you always gotta seal it with a top coat. That's what a top coat really does. It's like a sealant. Keep all the good stuff in there. Allows your nails to last a little bit longer. If you're not using a top coat, you slack. Quick and easy. Don't overthink it. That's what I've learned so far.
Yeah, that actually came out pretty nice. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on.
That's not bad.
I might have been right. I might have been right when I said the top coat fixes everything.
I told you. Oh, now she right.
Wait, you said that I said it, so yeah, I'm right. Right?
Yeah.
Oh.
I love clear coats. They don't show any imperfections. Hey. There we go. Top coat complete. Nails looking beautiful. Look at them. Show them toes. Get them angles. One and only. The husband of the year. Nobody touching these skills. Look at that. Jamaica. You see that? Jamaica. Fire. We're born. That's a new Jamaica flag right there. Y'all know about that. It's the new things.
Jamaica flag does not have these colors on it. It's literally...
I said the new one. That's why I said it. But the X. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
All right.
I guess. I actually really like that.
I should have just kept it. Should have just went for the next one.
Yeah,
like that
probably.
Too.
That would have been, yeah, that would have been cool on all of them even. But hey, maybe next time.
Okay, guys, I hope that you enjoyed my nail video. Like, subscribe, comment. You know how we do it. We get down. Yeah. Fire, Jamaica, forever.
He's not even Jamaican.